Now this is the back of the Techpaddle and this is the front of the Techpaddle. To begin with, you start looping the Velcro from the back in the first hole nearest the middle. So I'm going to do it like this. Now the Velcro, when I put it through the first hole, will be on the outside, towards the outside of the paddle. Now the Techpaddle strap has a sewn end and a non-sewn end. The non-sewn end has to go through it threaded first. So I pull it all the way through and it should look like this. Okay? So it's on the back side and the front. Now the next thing you do is thread it through the nearest hole on the opposite side like this. And you have a loop that looks like this with the Velcro exposed. The next thing you do is, and it looks like this, is you put it through the last hole, or the one that's furthest away, like this. And you're done. What happens is, this is the one that says R, so it's your right-handed paddle. You put your hand in it like this. Loop it and you're all set. Okay? That's how we start the strapping for the Techpaddle. Okay? This part right here should not show any kind of stress, and if it does and it becomes white, that means you're pulling on it too much like this. And when you bend your arm too much, that's a flaw. It should be always straight. You should have your hand like this. It should never be open. You don't want to cheat like that. It's closed on the dowel here, or the handle, and that's how you begin. And you can start training with the Techpaddle. Pretty easy to get off. All you do is have to, and when they're wet, they're even a little easier to get on and off, and just pull it like this, and they're done. Okay? So you have the strapping of the Techpaddle. Okay, thank you.